Hey guys, welcome back. What we're going to do today is we are going to talk about customer requests. All right, custom orders or customer requests, I don't care how you say it. The bottom line is you're going to get them. If you are a successful knife maker, someone's going to want to commission you. Somebody may want to commission you to make something that you don't really want to make. That's okay. I'm going to give you 3 ways to deal with special requests or custom orders. What I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, add that little bell icon, do all that good stuff. Make sure you go down below. I have a whole bunch of product links for you guys. It's all free. You don't have to do anything unless you want to join Patreon. If you want to be a Patreon member, it's only $1 a month. Also, get on the mailing list. I can't say it enough, guys. Get on the mailing list. It's the only place that I am sending discounts. All right, guys, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about custom orders. I recently got a order from somebody that wanted toxic green handle scales. Okay, no problem. I had it, I ordered it, everything worked out great. What you need to understand is that you need to control your customers. Control. I know that sounds crazy. Why would I need to control my customers? Here's the thing, they will run amok. They are like crazy sheep. They want to run everywhere. They want to do things that you're not capable of doing. They want to order you to do the things that they want, and what do they have? A little bit of money. And if you're in business, you're gonna want that money. Here's how you can control yourself. 3 simple, very simple, easy ways to do this. All right. Number 1, don't be afraid. Never be afraid to talk to a customer and see what their wants and desires are. One of the biggest things in sales is to find out what that person wants and then sell it to them. It's really that simple, guys. So don't be afraid. If you want something or somebody wants something from you, talk to them. Here's another tip. Somebody actually designed one of the knives that are on the website right now. I think it's a fantastic job, and it's part of the lineup, and the only thing he wanted in return is that I name it after his son. Done. Right? So it worked out pretty good, and now we got a brand new design. Thank you very much. I'll link it down below if you're interested in that. All right, so don't be afraid. Talk to your customers, find out what they want, what their desires are. Number 2, manage expectations. Expectations means is you spoke to this person, they want something specific in the knife, they want all kinds of fish hooks and laser beams and I don't know, maybe lights or whatever. You have to be realistic what you can do inside your shop. If you don't have the material, the machinery, or anything like that, then you have to manage that expectation. What I like to do is on my website, if you go to threeriverblades.com, what you can find is very simple options. You want a flat grind, Scandi grind, option. Color code, I want it in black, I want it in red. Handle scales, wood or micarta. That's simple. It's that kind of thing that you're looking for, okay? Very simple, control, make sure you can manage those expectations for your customer. Number 3, don't be afraid to say no. A lot of my experience has been saying no. Why? Well, I'll tell you, it's very simple. If I have a number of paying customers that already paid me, that want the awesome blade from Three River Blades, want 2 awesome blades from Three River Blades, here's what's gonna happen. I start on your project. Those blades are still there. They're not getting done. I am the only person that's doing all the work. Those guys are gonna get pissed, especially since they paid. And those are good customers because they paid you for the things that you can obviously do. Now you're going somewhere else to do something you can't do, may not do. Maybe you don't even want to. Here's the other big thing. Your name is stamped on it. That's right. If you're into logos, if you're somebody that's into branding and you make a Bafugly, it's a real word, look it up. If you made a Bafugly looking blade, your name is stamped on it, it goes into the forums because now the guy that purchased it doesn't want it anymore, it's still yours, okay? Make the things that look good, make the things that make your name look good. Promote your brand. Make sure it's a good brand. Make sure it's a brand that you are proud of, that you can pass down to your children. So let's recap it. It's very simple. Number one, don't be afraid to talk to somebody, find out what they like. Ideas always spring. Sometimes they're good ideas, sometimes they're not. Number two, manage their expectations. All right, if you're not sure or you don't think you can do it, number three, tell them no. It's that simple. Go to 3arrowblades.com, check out all the fantastic knives I have up there. As always, be safe.